As cities grow rapidly, managing wastewater has become a critical environmental challenge. To address this growing challenge, Sintex proudly introduces the Advanced MBBR package STP, a compact, reliable and highly efficient solution. Specially designed for decentralized wastewater treatment, these systems offer high-strength, corrosion resistance and flexible installation, both underground and above ground. The process begins as the raw sewage passes through a bar screen and FOG chamber, removing large solids, oil and grease. The PSTP has 4 zones: solid separation zone, anoxic zone, MBBR aeration zone and sedimentation zone. In the solid separation zone, suspended solids settle under controlled conditions. Next, in the anoxic zone, denitrification removes nitrogen from wastewater. In the MBBR aeration zone, PP media enable microorganisms to break down organic pollutants, delivering the highest treatment efficiency. Finally, in the sedimentation zone, sludge settles and is recirculated to maintain system balance. The treated water then flows into the intermediate storage tank, then is pumped to tertiary treatment to remove color and odor. The treated water is stored and reused for landscaping, flushing, gardening and industrial use, ensuring clean cities and lasting water resources with PSTP technology.
Sintex, सबसे सेफ हमेशा।